All right. So in order to get healing done, you need to have this thing. Because if someone is dead, it should not get healed. Hey, das war's wert. So, how do we tackle this? How's the sound right now? Let's see, I need this guy. And I need... That's good to hear. And I guess we don't need more. So, receive damage. I guess I have to make a function for check if dead or handle death. That was a very subtle dad joke. So I do check this. I could go here and handle... I'm not sure if I should call it death or incapacitated, or how do you spell that word? Because in my game there is no death in that sense. Incapacitated? Such a handful to write. I guess I'll just stick with death, and in the game itself we will not call it death. So if heart damage greater than HP max... Oh look, I wrote incapacitated here. No, unconscious is not correct. It's more like, you know, you have this Orbling, and he is in the Orbling form, and then he lands and materializes. When you get his HP down, he turns into that orb again and flies away. So he's not really dead. Maybe unpowered or something like that. But yeah, we will call it death for now. Well, I don't want to call it disabled since they are not things. It will be incapacitated. Dead. Little dead. Alright. This is Shadow of the Colossus. So now, since we have barrier and an Orpling, they should behave differently. In the case of the barrier, it needs to clean itself up somehow. Initialize barrier. That's not what we want. Where's the map? Summon barrier, summon barrier, summon barrier. I do it here, create barrier asset, and then I put it in here. I would need abstract barrier ability competitor. We need the competitor. Do we have the competitor as the barrier? Get opponent competitor it as it. Get competitor that uses this ability. Oh. Actually, that's fine. Or is it? No. Ah, okay. I think the competitor is a different value than the Orpling that uses it. I fill them differently, so I can use it on Confused too. Oh god, I need to test this. But let's first implement step by step. So I need to get this. So I would need to add it here. Clean up barrier slots. Yeah, we need that. But for that we would need to know what kind of slot we are. Did I put that somewhere? Crystal barrier? I actually don't save this. Summon barrier, how about create barrier? Where's that again? Oh, that was the ability itself, right? Yeah, here. Create barrier. So we give this in here, save it at the competitor, but I never tell him to initialize that. We spawn, we initialize, we should get the map slot name into here. Or could actually just assume it. Could just assume it. Why do I even go with map? Oh, this is stupid. I don't need this. I would just need to create that thing, and it should have the slot hard-coded into the class. I shouldn't give this. Interesting. Maybe I can optimize this. So summon barrier goes to Create, right? Common barrier. Let's see what's happening here. It's hard-coded here. Ability, earth tests. This should be enough. We should not need this. Let's see if we can refactor this before we implement the death. Refactor. Oh, I need the crystal ability too. This one. No. Wait, yes. Is it this? Yes. Refactor. And what are you doing? Das war's wert. Oh boy. Oh, you're working. Yeah, of course, I remember. So I initialized this here, but I need it here already. Competitor. Damn. Okay, wait. Barrier created and then I can get, but we already need to destroy. Maybe it is already good enough like this. Ah. Okay, I see. They have their pros and contras on how to implement this. I think I will keep it this way. Okay, whatever. So we still need it to be safe though. Ability crystal barrier, not here. We need to save it at the barrier itself. This guy. Initialize. Here we need barrier slots tag. Barrier slot tag. Like so. Then we can use this to clean up. To go to the initialize of those two. We will see 3, but one is the abstract. This is the abstract. No, it's not. Is it? It is the abstract. Why do I have this function here? Interesting, this would go to a bad behavior. Maybe I should keep this at none. Summon barrier. Why did I do it like this? Ah, wait. Huh? Oh, okay. Now I'm a little confused. If I'm here, I need this. This needs to happen. Then it is in here. Now, but why do I have things implemented in here? Create. Hold on. I have it here. And this is the create. Is this just old code? Create asset. Destroy. Let me copy and see if they are same code. So we have the create one. Find, destroy. It is the same code. Now let's see if I ever use the super, and I am. This is not good. Wait, am I? What's going on here? I'm so confused. Abstract. Summon barrier. And then summon parent. I do implement it here, but we shouldn't. We should not implement here anything. And here, I go in, in my own implemented one, create barrier set, which will destroy the old one. And then add it there. Why is this the same code? Look at this. Go away. Okay, from the top. This is fine. Yes, now it works. And then we create the thing. And then initialize, and then that puts it here. Okay. The same goes for the crystal barrier. Yes. This goes to nothing. Perfect. So. We have to go here. Competitor that's competitive. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shit, he does not know about the competitor. How do I... Oh, fuck. What are you cooking? Did you just Google that word? Herrgott, bescheißle. Yeah, I know what it is. I'm just surprised that you know, since you always want to know Swabian words. What do you mean? The word itself is Swabian. Maultaschens. Die bescheißt doppelt. Oh my god. Wow, okay. So, how do I get the owning competitor here? I could give it inside. Do I do it like this then? Do I do it while creating it and exposing it? So it is always in, I don't have to implement it on the others. I guess I'll do it that way. Owning competitor abstract, and this is exposed on spawn. Compile, and then we go here, refresh this, owning competitor, utility, in. Okay. So now we have it. Now we can use it. Map. Remove this. And if false, print append error. Try to remove from barrier. Like this. Now we can use this. I guess I don't have to override it on the specified children. I can go here already and handle death. Like this. So this should do for our barriers. And destroy the actor. This should actually work already. Could try it out. I wonder how I will handle the death of Orplings though. Oh! That was not correct. Interesting. How did that happen? Huh. Another bug. Alright. Okay. I'm going crazy. There are different. Ah. I know how to... trigger it. Just have to go to the same class on the other side. If I'm on fire, I go to lightning and it would break. They're not materialized. And the other way around. Let's go to water and then to air. There we go, it's broken. Now if I tell them to make their abilities, would it work? Yes. I guess if I change on again while they're materialized, and they will break. You'll see. Let's switch to earth, then crystal, then water. Let's see what happens while they're flying. Earth, crystal, water, and start. It does start. Maybe I should try to go with the round while they're flying, and the bug is triggered without going to another element. So let's go fire, lightning, and while they're flying, start the round. Fire, lightning, start the round. I don't know. How did I trigger that error? I guess some of them are dead now. That's why. Yeah, they cannot find any enemies anymore, because all of them are dead. Okay, let's get rid of one error first. This one is not an error anyway. It's just not a handled case yet, since we don't have wind conditions. So here we have the problem that if I switch elements while they're flying, the guy that is flying does already know what his current slot was. So he thinks he landed, but he did not. I guess I have to look if flight active too. Oops. If not, bool, please. Then do that. Now this should only fire if he's landed. And hopefully this also fixed the other bug, but I'm not sure, because I could not recreate, and I hate those bugs. You will always stay uncertain if it's fixed or not. So let's switch to lightning. It should say that is the new code. Not done yet. Firing, yes, there we go, by new code. So if I now switch to water and then air, the error should not happen. And then air, yes, works. Alright, and just to be sure, if I press enter, they still work. Alright, let's say that other error never happens. And continue. Oh my god, I hate this. Where was I, by the way? Oh, I remember. I wanted to test if we can get rid of the barrier. So let's switch to crystal. Press enter. Get attacked. Create the barrier. And then let's switch to water and watch our little barrier. Yes, it's this guy. So we switch to water. Start the combat. Now this will get, I guess, 30 damage. If it would start, that is. Who are we waiting for? Well, the bug is still there, that's reassuring. I rather have them appear again than disappear and appear at some random point. Well, how can I find out who is not ready? Oh man, I love the music of Shadow of the Colossus. Find an end in listener. Not done yet, waiting for more. Maybe I should list them. Local error or no debug or bling waiting list string. For each. Append this. I guess with a trailing space, don't care. Just a simple debug anyway. This way, boom. And when that is done, complete by ending. And done. Let's see how this goes now. So first we switched to crystal, and then we started the fight. Water, air. Not done yet, waiting for 8 more. So we are waiting for water, air. Why did that not give us a return? Interesting. This is a very random part. Who's bound to this? Only if arrived. And error. Light was not active. Flight was active. Where else can I look? Oh, this is a bad bug. I don't like this one. Let them materialize. Go to crystal, press enter. not done yet. 8 more. Whatever. Space is missing. Fire, earth. Earth, water. Crystal, lightning. Crystal landed. It is not being waited on though. Crystal, air. So fire, lightning, water, fire, water, air, crystal, air, like all over there. Crystal, 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 crystal. And how come here crystal still? So, okay, fire, earth landed. Fire, earth. Where? Ah, that is already gone. Earth, water. It shouldn't be here but here, which is true. So this guy removes that, but why is water, air not reaching his goal? How would I be able to see what water, air is doing? Why he's not? Reaching. Okay, let's test something. Let's make a little thing here. If equals if it's crystal air, and just so we know for sure this will work, if it's crystal air, print error, yes, we reached. And then if that works, I can do the same thing with the water air one and just debug it from there by setting up breaking points at that print. So we go to crystal, say enter. Ow. Why did this trigger so fast? That just the command? I didn't realize that. Oh, that's just the command. That's not the issue. I would assume water air also receives this command. All we have to do is go here. Okay, I cannot use it there. Just the flight target procedure. If I go here, it would just give it if it reached the destiny. Which one is water air anyway? Here's our top. The side. This is water air. This one. The thing that makes problems. He's not switching! It's actually not switching. Is that possible? No, it should go up at one of those. What? What? Back right. Shouldn't it be back left? Back right. Water air. Same goes. Ah, okay. So if I am at water, back right is earth crystal. That means if I switch to from fire to crystal, from water to lightning. BR, earth crystal. Is this wrong? I guess it's not wrong, but I have to get the case where the orb stays where it is, but is in not landed mode. How do I do that? Holy shit, okay. So we don't need this. Fly to position this thing. And what if he is already in the position? Does it do this? So we have one here, materialize at movement. Fly to. I need it here too. Materialize at. Fly to. If it is the same slot. And we already reached it. Flight is active. Do we stop the flight when we reach it? Yes. Doesn't matter, we do stop it. Okay, so clean this up. Okay, then we know what the problem was. Same goes here, flight not active. Flight was active. We don't need this error anymore. It's normal behavior now. Okay. So now should not have that problem anymore. Interesting. What a strange error. I mean, it makes sense. Never popped up before, or maybe it did and I never thought it was that error. So we are here. Land. Our water guy is there. Now we switch to crystal. Uh-oh, he materializes. Hold on. So we don't want it to materialize. We don't go with arrive, then probably. Yeah, this is wrong. Yeah. Don't materialize. This one we need. Two, don't materialize. Okay. And now it's fixed. Right. We wait until this guy is at his place. Okay. And we switch to crystal. Start around. He stays there. And we are done. Perfect. Now we can finally debug. Some damage. And here's our little guy. I guess we're done. Here's our damage. We go to water. And now we have to wait for pour out until he's dead. We're healing ourselves without a healing implementation. So 30 damage. Next round. Right, 60 damage. And 90. Alright, the next attack, it should disappear. Boom! Gone. And then he attacks water air. Perfect, works. So the death for barriers works. Now, how will I implement the death for orblings? You have a little orbling here. He flies. He materializes. Whatever. And then he gets damaged. Is 0 HP. And then pluff, it should be an orbling again. Now does it fly somewhere or it just stays where it is? And now, depending on if he's dead or not, by changing the formation I have to tell him not to materialize, or I need to get rid of him from the orbling list that handles them. Oh. We have some options here. Option 1. Orbling returns at the back of the summoner. Option 2. The Orpling stays where it is as a kind of ragdoll. Option 3. It stays where it is, but it floats. Like never materialized. Then it can also, if we switch the formation, go to that slot. Now in the case of enemies, what should happen to them if I kill one of them and there are still new waves? Do they just fly up? Okay. What if Norpling has Resurrect? In the player's case, it's easy. Just goes back and materializes if he is in the front. And if he is not, then he's at the slot where he is and just looks healthy or something. But in the case of enemies, are they able to resurrect each other? And then if they resurrect, do they resurrect past waves? Huh. How would I... I guess in standard encounters one wave has to have 0 Orplings left, and then they fly up altogether and are out of the game. So the next wave cannot resurrect the previous wave, but the current wave can resurrect one of its own if they die. Which is very improbable, because Resurrect will consume a lot of MP and he will probably use it just randomly without a target, except if I make them more smart if they are in simple encounters and they can use abilities as they need instead of just randomly using them. But the question is still there at the summoner place. In the case of option 1 and 2, I have to remove them from the array or map that is responsible to... Actually, is it an array? It is not. It will go and command fighting entity to move the slot. Oh god. I have to consider who to add. Which is here probably. Local warpling contains, if true, it is already in there. If not, we add it in. I guess I have to check here if it is alive. It should be a bull. Maybe this guy. Where do I fill it? Here, here. Maybe I should cast this to Abstract Orbling and do this as Abstract Orbling too, because I'm not using it else. Anyway. Could also use this, but we don't want that. Or should I use it anyway? Oh. And this is so complicated. I mean, I still didn't decide What way to do? Which one? This, or this? For me, option 3 sounds like the correct choice, since they will also linger, and they can fly away, so dropping to the ground makes no sense. Going back could be fine. But also staying at the place he is sounds also fine. But I guess in a fight I would like to see if something is possible to get resurrected. So seeing the Orpling in front of me could be alright. And let's go with option 3, which would mean we don't have to change things here, but somewhere else. This would mean I have to handle materialization if someone is dead. Where do I do that? Flight 2. That is correct. This one needs a little check. if flight not active. True, and then do another if. If alive. To materialize, else. Implements. Check alive. If. Do materialize, else don't materialize. We have to do this the same thing here, I guess. Try to land. And this is fine. I have to do the if, alive, do that, false, do that. And then it should be fine. It would just float at the place. Then I have to look into them not using their abilities if they're dead. But I should add a bool for checking if they're dead or alive. And not only that. Where are our openings? Yeah. Oh, this is already that. Okay, so receive, handle death. Here we should go one above, which is here, and then overwrite the handle death. Here we need to get the internal stat for heart damage and the temporal one set to something. Zero probably. Abstract internal stats. We have status effects in the temporal one, but death shouldn't be a temporal status effect. Maybe I should write this as temp. Which will all be cleaned after the fight. And then the same thing we need here. Permanent status. What did we call it? Status map. And this is our name, our map, a string. Now we can use this to add the incapacitated status effect. And while doing that, we set our life to 0. So we get this guy, we get the temporal stat, we set temporal stat, then we have to say that we are materializing too. Okay, so temporal stat, we need it. We need to break. And then we need to make. And also split. Soft damage is 0. Like this. Then, kernel stat. Hard damage is 0. And then permanent get add what should we call the key? Skill? Death incapacitated. KO. I think I like KO. Handle. Death. Oh, god damn it. Why is that thing so close? I just wanted to go here. Anyway. Handle death is now handle KO. Alright. So handle KO. Which is funny for, of course, for the vaults, since they will be gone, but I don't care. Add KO. Well, this is there. Let's find... Okay, so we are in the same thing, so here... Handle KO. Handle KO. And where do I use alive? Oh god. Tag validity alive. Okay, is Orpling alive? Get Orpling current HP. I could go here and say get status. Or I could go get cast Orpling, get status. What the fuck? Map? What's in the internal stat? Internal stat. And then get map, find KO. Find reference. Only in 2 places. Check a life of competitor and add to array. Looks only for Orplings. Lit and alive of Orpling battle groups, then we don't even need those anymore. Alright, let's rewrite this then. If not KO, not equal, then it's there. We don't need this anymore. This can go. Don't need this. Find this guy. Alright, so that's refactored. Write an entity, open, edge, find, KO. If hard damage plus soft damage is greater or equal Now on our maximum HP, then we are KO. Don't need to say. Dematerialize here. 2. Okay. Light active. If true, if map get find KO, not not pool. If it's not KO, then do your thing. But if you are, we need the other thing. Don't materialize. Like so. Okay. Same thing here. Fly to land. If this thing if not dead, materialize. And if dead, don't materialize. All right. I guess I could put this in a function and use it in both places. But that's fine for now. I wonder if this works already. It would be funny. If there's an error, I will just stop. Let future style handle it. I guess I switch to lightning. Instead then get the least amount of attack. Oh. What happened? fighting entities found. So there's an arrow here. Or not. This was always firing faults, so that's... There we go. Doing some damage. Oh. One hit should kill our one. I think. Maybe it needs more. Wait, no, it switched, so it is dead. Okay, we have to debug. So why did you not die? Because I did not tell him to. How do I tell him to materialize? Current slot, land, update form. I just do this? Link form, boom. Lightning. Oh, now they are trying to hit us. Could kill our first Orpling in the middle. Boom. And he's gone. Now we can switch to water. Begin, and then we switch to fire, and the middle one should be still dead. Alright. So we switch to fire. And now it should not materialize in the middle. Yes! Works. And does it start round? Yes! There we go. Hell yeah. Alright. I would say I'm done for today. Now let's see what we can do next time. Where was our little... Oh, there. What's here? Check, whatever. Okay, so. Handle death. Gone. Add healing ability and MP usage. That could be something we can tackle next time. It should also handle that if we are using healing on an incapacitated one, then it shouldn't heal him. Charging attack and multi-attack is something that we can do too, but it is not pressing. Maybe I will do this before these two. And then we can go into all of this. Alright, so next time I guess I'll do these two. And maybe even this. These should be not that hard anymore, since I hope all the bugs that were very, very prevalent right now are gone. And then we refactored many things too. It should be fine. But we will see. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.